Nigeria's Presidential Elections Petitions Court adjourned all proceedings at the court, which held earlier today to the 23rd of May. The tribunal had earlier ruled against the application filed by both the nation's opposition People's Democratic Party and the Labour Party, requesting for live media coverage of the court's proceedings. Our correspondent, Amadin reports.
The Presidential Election Petitions Court proceedings commenced pre-hearing of the petition filed by the Allied People's Movement of Nigeria. The court had tasked the party to consolidate its petition with other opposition parties so that it can present its pre-hearing consolidation report by May the 23rd. After adjournment of the petition, the court entertained the petition of Nigeria's opposition People's Democratic Party. The court then ruled on the much-awaited application requesting the live media coverage of the entire proceedings, with a 5-man panel making a unanimous decision.
The court, in its wisdom, decided that the subject of our application, i.e. the live streaming and open telecast, is not in any way connected with the merits of our petition. The petition is separate, it's ongoing. The application did not succeed to have the televised version of the proceedings relate to the entire world. And as far as we are concerned, we are now set for hearing. Tomorrow we'll be here by God's grace for pre-hearing reports that will determine the progress of the petition and the time the petition will be heard and concluded.
The Petitions Court also raised the issue of consolidation of election petitions, urging all parties to consolidate their petitions according to the statutes of the nation's Electoral Act.
The issue of consolidation is one that is compelled by statute, and we have no objection to it. We are prepared to proceed.
Subsequently, the opposition Labour Party had its own opportunity for its petition to be heard. The party complained to the tribunal it has still not received full access from Nigeria's electoral body, which is frustrating its ability to progress with its petition.
There are numerous documents, and they're supplying them piecemeal. So it's not something I can stand here. In River State, for instance, let me just give you one example. There are 23 local governments. They've given us from ECHA, in respect of 15, we still have 8 outstanding. And you can't make a conclusion based on 15 of 23. So that's what the quarrel, let me call it quarrel, that's what it is about. Any day we receive everything we're asking for, we will let you know.
The counsel to the Labour Party says it is convinced that it can prove its case at the tribunal once the party's team of counsels have complete access to election materials.
Once we see what we want, we will let everybody know, including you, the media. Because the bottom line of the presidential election is the beavers. That's why we want to see it.
The Petitions Court adjourned its proceedings to May the 23rd. Amadin reporting for News Central.